Hey guys, welcome. And today I've brought you a new product, and that is the LaCie mobile drive. Now this is one of the best LaCie drive yet out there, one of the latest as well, much improved version from the LaCie Porsche design, which is also very impressive, sleek design, and this one turned out to be much more better looking, also a sleek one. Now this is really a sturdy hard drive, which is maybe an aluminum alloy, and it's quite hard enough. Even LaCie has the rugged version a couple of years ago, and up till now it's been the most purchased and the most recommended hard drive in terms of durability. But if you're the guy for sleekness, Porsche designer was the older one, this one is the better version in terms of sleek design and even performance. Now this device weighs about 172 grams, and it's a bit more heavier than your iPhone SE 2020. So keep in mind, definitely it's feel really heavy, and it does feel really premium. Before we move on to the performance side, the mobile drive does have the diamond cut edge, definitely to reduce the impact and distribute the impact once it falls on its side. And one thing to note is it does have the Type-C port at the bottom, just like the Porsche design, and with a small LED indicator beside it. Now this product which I purchased is from China and assembled in Thailand. Now talking about this one, this version particularly is the 2 TB, and once I plug it in the laptop, you'll be having at least 1.8 GB free, and maybe 200 MB is for some reserve for the hard disk itself. Now in terms of performance, the transfer rate is quite amazing. On the box it stated up to 130 MB per second, and that is the megabytes per second. And I have checked with both the cables. It comes with the Type-C to Type-C and Type-A to Type-C. So the first thing, let's talk about the USB-A to Type-C. Now once you plug in that hard disk or hard drive, the transfer rate, what I have seen for about 500 MB video file, it gets transferred in 4 seconds, and for that it's pretty impressive. So the highest speed what we have captured from transferring that in within 4 seconds, it showed about 118 MB per second. Now once I plugged it in by USB Type-C to Type-C, which is also provided in the box, it was quite astonishing to find out that it even performs well, and it exceeds what's within the box. Now the transfer rate for 500 MB video file was about 2.75 seconds, and maximum what we have got captured is 135 MB per second. It's pretty impressive to see such fast transfer rates. So maybe I can say with confidence that if you're going to transfer 1 GB file, it can transfer for you about 8 seconds for the USB-A to Type-C. Keeping in mind the laptop port or the computer port of yours should be the compatible 3.0. Now for the Type-C to Type-C, 1 GB of file transfer, I can say with confidence about 6 seconds. So it's pretty impressive with such nice looking sleek hard drive, and especially with the performance side, I would really recommend this one. It does also feel premium. If you keep on the desk, maybe one of your colleagues would be impressed and see it really looks nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give a thumbs up, and a link for this product, link in the description below, and subscribe to this channel for more contents, more reviews just like this, and see you guys in the next video.